Amalfi.
It's been the hardest journey I think we've had.
Hi, Bubbuds. You ready for the beach?
So sick because this ferry is extremely rocky. It's horrible. We just got to our Airbnb for the weekend in Amalfi, and it's so far, it's been the hardest journey I think we've had our whole entire trip in Europe. When we were figuring out how to get here from Naples, we had two options. We could take a train and then a bus, or we can take a ferry, and the ferry goes port to port, straight drop you off right in the where you're trying to go, because these towns, they're really windy and curvy and steep hills, so there's not a whole lot of options on how to get here. So we thought, let's take the ferry, and that way it'll be a straight shot. We'll get there. It's a little bit more expensive, but it'll be easier. That was not the case. It was horrible. Horrible, horrible. Do not recommend at all. The waves were so rocky. It was disgusting. I felt sick the whole time. David got sick. Everyone else on the ferry was getting sick. Ugh, it was horrible. Like, going back home, we're not taking a ferry. I'd rather sit in a crammed little bus for 2 hours, because I'm not doing that again. That's my 2 cents. If you are staying somewhere around Amalfi and you're trying to figure out how to get here, if you do take the ferry, you need to buy motion sickness pills. Now you know. But this place is beautiful. We just got here, so we haven't explored yet. We're hanging out. David's in the back, in the little garden back there. It's really close to the town. It's 9 minutes from the beach walking. It's got 2 floors. It's got a full kitchen, washing machine, and then 1 bedroom, 2 bathrooms. It has a swimming pool. They left us a whole bowl of snacks. They left us a bottle of wine. So cute. I'm kind of sad we're only staying for a night. Anyways, welcome to Amalfi.
Vamos, che devo fare?
Alright, we got the first lemon sorbet. This is 10 euros, so it better be good. Ooh, it is. It's fresh.
Yeah, probably add some even crispy.
You want to buy it? Good. It's one of the things you have to get here because there's so much lemons here. It's like lemon everything. Lemon photo shoots, lemon drinks, lemon sorbet, obviously. It's beautiful, but it's so crowded. It's a little chaotic, to be honest, and kind of hard to just find a chill spot. The water's freezing up. We're on our way to dinner and we left a little bit early because, as you know, you have to stop and take pictures of everything. So you should leave with plenty of time before your reservation. That's my 2 cents for you. This is our last day in Amalfi. So of course we wanted to spend it on the beach. It's a really sunny, beautiful day. So we're enjoying the sun before it rains because it's supposed to rain again at 2 o'clock. It's beautiful for now, and we're going to catch a bus back home because like I said before, the ferry is absolutely miserable for us. I don't know if anyone has motion sickness, but if you do, I do not recommend a ferry. So we got motion sickness pills, and then we're gonna take the bus home. So there's no bus on the Sundays that goes straight from Amalfi to Naples. So what you have to do is get a bus that goes to Sorrento and then change buses from there and then get to Naples. So that's what we are doing. The tickets are €8 each. From Sorrento, you jump on a train and you get a train all the way to Naples. And they run pretty frequently. It's for €50.
That was a long trip. I think all in all, it took like 4 hours. Naples is just too far, honestly. If you're watching this vlog to try and plan your trip to Amalfi Coast, don't look at Naples. It's too far, and I know that on the map it looks like it's really close, but the options on how to get there are so limited. There's one windy road that you could either rent a car, which is expensive, rent a driver, also the more expensive end, or you take the bus, which takes a long time, or you take a ferry, which is nauseating. So, oh my God, it's just, there's so much, it's really hard to get there. Anyways, we have a whole other week here, and we're gonna be going to 𝐭𝐴𝐻 again. And I'm gonna make actually a Naples vlog and just some tips about this, but just a sneak peek about that. Don't stay in Naples. I would stay in Sorrento or Salerno if I was to do this all over again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it. Next week, we're going to 𝐭𝐴𝐻. So stay tuned for that video to drop. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. That's the best way you can support me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.